Join me as I try to create the tastiest Indian-style scrambled eggs you've ever had. Can I nail this recipe or will it end up a disaster? Indian-style scrambled eggs, also known as masala scrambled eggs, are a game-changer for breakfast. They're a perfect blend of spices, herbs, and of course, eggs. What makes them special is the use of unique spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander, which give them an unmistakable flavor and aroma. Many of us have struggled with making scrambled eggs that are actually exciting. Sometimes they turn out too bland, or they end up being too rubbery or dry. I think the main issue is that we often rely on just salt and pepper for seasoning. But with Indian-style scrambled eggs, the addition of spices and herbs takes it to a whole new level. The combination of sautéed onions, ginger, garlic, and green chilies adds a depth of flavor that's hard to achieve with regular scrambled eggs. Another challenge people face is getting the texture right. You want your scrambled eggs to be soft and fluffy, not tough and rubbery. The key to achieving this is to cook them over low-medium heat and to stir them constantly. This way, you can control the cooking process and end up with eggs that are cooked to perfection. By incorporating these simple techniques and ingredients, you can elevate your scrambled eggs from boring to brilliant. The best part is that it's incredibly easy to make and requires minimal ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need eggs, of course, but also some onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, salt, and some fresh cilantro for garnish. The use of cumin seeds gives the dish a distinct flavor and aroma. Turmeric powder adds a beautiful yellow color and a slightly bitter taste that balances out the spices. Green chilies add a touch of heat, while garam masala powder brings out the warmth of the spices. The onions and ginger add a sweetness and a depth of flavor that complements the eggs perfectly. Garlic, on the other hand, gives it a pungency that elevates the dish. Fresh cilantro adds a freshness and color to the dish. The quantity of each ingredient is crucial. 2 eggs are perfect for a serving, along with a small onion, a small piece of ginger, 1 garlic clove, and 1 green chili. You can adjust the amount of spices according to your taste. To make this recipe, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Then, add the chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and green chilies, and sauté until the onions are translucent. The next step is to add the spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder. Stir well to combine. After that, pour in the beaten eggs and stir gently to combine with the spice mixture. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the eggs are almost set. The final step is to garnish with some fresh cilantro and serve hot. So, that's it, a simple recipe for delicious Indian-style scrambled eggs that's packed with flavor and texture. This dish is perfect for a quick and easy breakfast or brunch. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, be sure to check out my other videos.